Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox my NYKAA package which I ordered from the Hot Pink sale. I just received my package, so without any wait, let's get started. And which is also very important step in the double cleanse process, micellar water. I have combination skin and this one from Garnier does its job and it's bomb. Just put the real price and the discounted rates in the link in the description down below. Next I ordered is my favorite Claire's vitamin C. It's very effective. One of my favorite vitamin C's in the market. Next is, so I ordered one Earth Rhythm hyaluronic acid and I got one free with that. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna use it for the first time. So I'll make a review later. Next is my favorite Cetaphil or whatever you want to call it. I call it Cetaphil. Yeah. So I love this face wash. It's very gentle. I've been using this since, I don't know, since 4-5 years now. And I haven't changed from this yet. Moving on, we have one Cetaphil moisturizer. This is also my go-to always in my bag. Next I have a freebie because I bought these two. Yeah, that's the gift that I got. Yes, cute. Next is cotton pads, very important. Next I ordered this Last Shield sunscreen gel. It's SPF 40+. This sunscreen was recommended to me by my dermatologist. It's a very good sunscreen for people with oily and combination skin. Moving on. Last item in this package is the heat protection mist by Toni & Guy. I use a lot of heat on my hair. I blow dry my hair regularly, not regularly, but whenever I wash my hair, so it's important. So these two came separately. This is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It's a mini, 50 ml. I haven't used it before. I'm going to use it for the first time. Next is the Lactic Acid from Hyaluronic. NYKAA just came up with the Ordinary I guess a month ago. I don't know. Maybe more than that. Thank you NYKAA for making Ordinary. It's very hyped. I haven't used it before. I'm gonna use it for the first time. This is a peel, chemical peel. Last, when you all order a lot of stuff, they give you a goodie bag. NYKAA gifted me this bag. Thank you NYKAA. It's signed by John B. Kapoor. Cute. Nice. I like the color. Okay. It's very spacious also. Nice bag. Yeah. you can keep your stuff inside this.